How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the WhatsApp app and you're logged into your account. After you do that, you can simply open it up. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the bottom right corner on the settings. After you're on settings, you should see different options here, and one of them will be linked devices. Now tap on linked devices, and there you should find a list of your devices that your WhatsApp is linked to. After you find that, simply tap on the device that you want to remove. After you tap on that device, you'll get an option to log out. Simply tap on logout and confirm the logout. After you confirm your logout, your device will get logged out. Your WhatsApp will get logged out from that very device, and it will just get removed from here as well. And that is how you can unlink your WhatsApp from other devices. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.